One decision can quietly shape the direction of your entire career. Not luck, not chance, just a professional choice that can reshape the way you think, work, and grow. Starting USCMA preparation today is one such decision. Let's take a look at how this journey actually looks like from your first day of learning to the long term career impact. The moment you start preparing for USCMA, your perspective begins to shift. Finance no longer feels like a subject to memorize, it becomes a practical tool to understand and run businesses. This is where you learn how costs are planned and controlled, how budgets influence strategy, and how performance is evaluated beyond just profits. Gradually, you start linking numbers with decisions, risks with outcomes, and data with strategy. You stop thinking like a student and start thinking like management. Your confidence grows, not because you know formulas, but because now you understand how businesses actually function. USCMA stands for Certified Management Accountant, a globally recognized professional qualification awarded by the Institute of Management Accountants in the United States. Unlike traditional accounting courses, which mainly focus on reporting and compliance, USCMA is centered around decision making, performance management, and strategic finance. This is why CMAs are trusted across industries in over 150 countries. The qualification reflects your ability to go beyond managing numbers and actively contribute to business decisions. One of the key strengths of the USCMA program is its flexibility. You can start after your 12th grade, during your graduation, after graduation, or even while working. The education and work experience requirements can be completed alongside or after passing the exams. This allows you to progress professionally without putting your career or life on hold. The USCMA program consists of two parts. Part 1 focuses on financial planning, cost management, performance measurement, and analytics, helping you understand how organizations plan and control operations. Part 2 moves into strategic financial management, covering corporate finance, risk management, and long-term financial decision making. Each exam is 4 hours long and includes objective type questions along with scenario-based essay questions. With multiple testing windows each year, most candidates complete both the parts within 12 to 15 months. The overall cost of the USCMA program contains the IMA membership fee, a one-time entrance fee, and exam fees for both the parts. While it requires a financial commitment, it is best viewed as a long-term career investment. As your experience grows, the value of the CMA qualification continues to multiply, delivering returns throughout your professional journey. After becoming a USCMA, your career opportunities expand significantly. You become eligible for roles in management accounting, budget controlling, strategic finance, and financial analysis. CMAs are employed by multinational companies, consulting firms, global capability centers, and fast-growing organizations. Along with competitive compensation, this qualification often leads to faster career growth and roles that directly influence business decisions. Over time, USCMA prepares you for leadership roles. As you gain experience, you move from execution to influence. This qualification does not limit you to a single role. It equips you with skills that evolve with your career. Starting USCMA preparation today is not just about clearing 2 exams. It is about building a business mindset, global credibility, and financial leadership skills that will shape your future. A few years from now, when important decisions are being made, you won't be watching from the sidelines. You will be a part of the decision-making process. And that is the true USCMA journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share, and subscribe for more such content.